Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Niro air filter. First, gather your supplies. A new air filter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and some protective gloves. Always make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to avoid any burns. Having a clean, well-lit area will also make the process much smoother and safer for you. Now let's get started. Pop open your Kia Niro's hood and find the large black air filter housing, usually located near the front of the engine. You'll see several clips or screws holding the cover in place. Use your screwdriver to gently loosen these, then carefully lift the housing cover. Once open, you can easily pull out the old, often dirty, air filter. Before inserting the new filter, take a moment to wipe away any leaves or debris inside the housing to ensure a clean seal. Now, carefully place your new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and securely. Once it's in place, put the housing cover back on, aligning it properly. Then, refasten all the clips or screws you loosened earlier, ensuring they are tight. Finally, give all the clips and screws a quick check to confirm the air filter housing is securely closed and sealed. This prevents unfiltered air from entering your engine. For optimal performance and fuel efficiency, it's generally recommended to replace your Kia Niro's engine air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or about once a year. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a great book about money, plus other deals you might enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.